So hello everyone, and my name is Daniel, and today I will be presenting to you guys the app that I made and also the website that I made in the past year. So I want you guys to have some background knowledge on bullet cubing. So on February 4th, 2020, I founded Bullet Cubing, which is an educational cubing club which you can enroll for free and learn how to solve Rubik's Cube puzzles. We offer over 10 different cubes and over 20 different courses. Only 8 courses are currently open to the public. And due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we decided to move all of our courses online via Zoom. And then the idea. The idea of this project is that I want to have like a better experience and also a better learning experience for the students on their cubing journey, and also to track their progress. I created an application to go along with the bullet cubing website. The website is mainly for students and parents to know what bullet cubing is and to sign up for a course. The app is also mainly for after-class homework to track your progress and to get teacher feedback. I also have a YouTube channel which I post tutorial videos on these cubes, which are also a part of the curriculum. So first, let's move on to my YouTube channel. Basically, for my YouTube channel, I just have different videos and playlists. For example, I recently just uploaded some Rubik clock tutorial and then Ivy Cube tutorial, and then even magic. So if you go to playlists,
Yay, 你过来。
you can basically see all of my playlists like that. And then you can basically just search Daniel Chen in the YouTube search bar, and it should be the first one that pops up. And then after that, let's go on to my website. So my website is bulletcubing.com. And then let me walk you through the website. So basically, I have an introduction, and I have a link to my demo, which is also on my YouTube channel. And then I just have a introductory, sort of like an essay, but like just explaining what I like and what I do, and then what I want to achieve with the website. And then I offer 2 types of courses: free video courses and instructor courses. Both of these are free. And in the instructor courses, we use the same video curriculum. We use the same video curriculum as the video courses, but it's just that you have extra support from my instructors. And these are the instructor-based courses, and then we have our instructors, and then we will be inviting 1 new instructor to our team, who is Justin, and I believe he is in the meeting too. And then basically you can contact us to join, basically send a message, and also to download the bullet cubing app. And inside my courses, I have the original instructor-based courses, which you can just click here, and then I can just click register, and then I'll just fill out this form, and then also answer some questions on your knowledge on the Rubik's Cube. And I also have video lessons, which are just a whole page of the video courses that I made. So you have like 3x3, 2x2 pyramid cube, and then 2 intermediate clock, magic, Ivy, 4x4, and then Olala algorithms. And then I will be making around 1 to 2 videos every week. So be sure to check out my YouTube channel. And then the course map. This is basically just a course guide that I made for my students to basically check what path they are going. So I recommend the green paths. So 3x3 to 2x2 to pyramids to Scube and all that. And then you also can enroll in like the competition preparation courses, which I will prepare you to, for example, a WCA competition. And then YouTube channel is basically just linked to my YouTube channel. And then download, these are already in the Google Play Store and the App Store. So you can basically just scan these to download, or you can just search bullet cubing in the search bar, and then you basically can just download my app. And then I will be explaining my app after I finish my website. And then in the FAQ section, I basically just added some questions. So like these, and if you, what is the difference between the actual instructor courses and the video courses? Are all the courses free, etc.? And then in About Us, I have basically what we do, and then my introduction video. And then we have our team, basically a list of all of our members. And then we have a bullet cubing timeline. So what happened on which dates. And then on January 2nd, 2021, the first version of bullet cubing app was launched. And then in contact is basically just contact us. And then shop is basically my eBay store, which you can shop for Rubik's cubes. And then now I will move on to my actual app. So let's see. Stop sharing. And oops. And then Nina, can you like name the Daniel Chen and then parentheses D to be a co-host so I can share my app?
Yep. Does it work now?
Yeah, thank you. So basically this is, and when you log in, you see this screen. First, if you click into, wait, oops. All right. So basically this is the home screen, and you basically have 9 different buttons that you can use. So first, without logging in, you can use the first 6 to link to my tutorial videos. And then also you cannot use my class since you didn't log in. You can use your daily exercise, basically just to time yourself. And then you won't be able to use the history or the analysis because you didn't log in. And also you can just, for example, time yourself. And then basically you basically have a timer. And for scoreboard, it is basically just if you attend my courses or one of my instructor's courses, then you basically get rewarded for every single homework or every single class you attend. And then now let me log in. All right, so after you log in, you basically skip to your classes page. So for example, I want to attend, for example, 3x3 beginners lesson 1. I will, before the class, look at these instruction videos, and then before the class, I will print out the course guide, the lesson guide, which basically it will tell me like what I need to do before class or on during the class. And then also at the end of the class, basically you have a instructor feedback. And yeah, if you want to join lesson, it just teleports to your the actual Zoom password and the ID, but I just put null for now because it is just for demonstration purposes. And then next, let's move on to daily exercise. Basically, this you can just time yourself for free practice. For example, I want to do like 3x3, and then I can choose free practice or any lesson that I want to submit my homework. For example, I want to submit beginner lesson 1, and then I can generate a scramble. And then you will just scramble your Rubik's Cube like the scramble above. And then when you're ready, hit go. And then basically you can see myself. And for example, if I were to scramble my cube and then hit go, I will just solve my cube. Let's see. And then I will have the cube inside the camera frame so my instructor can see what I am doing. And then after I stop timer, this is basically just a small bug, but after you hit stop timer, it will have pop up a little pop-up that says basically if you want to submit, and if you actually want to submit the solve, then after you submit, it will pop up like the solve was successfully submitted to your instructors. And then inside here is also history. Homework is basically back to this page. And then for history, basically this is your history of all of your homework that you did. And yeah, you have your lesson, you have your cube, you have your date submitted, you have your time completed, score earned, etc. And then for analysis, I think this is probably the best part of tracking my students. So basically you can choose a course, and then I will actually have an algorithm that calculates based on the how my student did, and I will calculate the percentage that he or she will actually learn the cube at the end. And also, I will also have an estimated time that he will solve the cube at the end. For example, 94 is basically 94 seconds, which is 1 minute and 34 seconds. And then also, I have a chart view, which gives me the progress, and it should be rising if you're doing well, and it should be decreasing if you're doing bad. And this button is basically your help page. So what to do to resolve. And then at last, this is the scoreboard. And that I already explained. And that is pretty much it for my web app, and you can download it at the App Store or the Google Play Store, and you can access the downloads page, so the QR codes from my website. Okay, and then I will stop my broadcasting. Okay. So now after the website, we have the app, And thank you. Do you guys have any questions?
Yep, let me open up the chat for questions.
Okay.
So how long, when did you start doing Rubik's Cube? That's really cool.
That was when I was in math team during 5th grade. So like I was in math team, and then the math team instructor sort of forced me to learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube. And I was like, the first time that my parents bought me a Rubik's Cube was when I was like 5. And then I basically just can't solve it and just twisted the corners or like reassembled the cube to solve it. And then basically after that, after the math team, I just got really, really into the cube and then just started to improve my time. And then right now I average around like 25 to 30 seconds.
Wow, that's so cool. So when did you start learning coding then?
I started learning coding when I was in 5th grade, I think. And that was with my 5th grade best friends, Eric and Ray. So we created a math game together. And then we also went to hackathon together and basically built an obby. And then after that, I just learned Python 2 and then Dart. Basically, I use Dart to code this part, so this app. And also, I can show you guys the actual application, so the actually coding part. Let me just open Android Studio really quick.
Also, I think we have an enthusiast in the chat. Lucas says that he can solve a Rubik's Cube in 20
Oh, that's
seconds.
nice.
Lucas, do you have something to say?
Not really.
Okay, I want to ask you some questions. So, do you use the CFOP method?
Yeah, I use CFOP.
And then, did you learn like the super advanced like winter variation and stuff?
I just use basic OLL and PLL and F2L.
Okay, that's nice to know. And then this is my actual Android Studio. So for example, I have each of the pages and the code for that. And I think, personally, I think the hardest part is actually coding the my classes part because I need a lot of Firebase stuff. So what I did for my classes is basically I have a custom widgets. And for example, Cube button is basically for like each of the buttons in my thing. And I don't know why, but like I just named everything to Cube to start with Cube. And that was actually a regret. So bottom is like the bottom heading. So as you see, like, please visit bulletcubing.com at the bottom of the app, and then like the cube bar and then stuff like that. And I also have a basically just random widgets that I use and import from this page to use at other pages. Any other questions?
What is your YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel, let's see. Wait.
I probably can compete with you with subs.
Hello. Okay, it's here. Basically, if you search Daniel Chin and then filter it to channel. Wait, where is it? What? Why is it not showing up? I guess I can't search myself, but if you search bullet cubing. Okay, so basically it's the first thing that you pop up when you search bullet cubing. And any other questions?
Also, when I searched up Daniel Chan, it popped up this magicianer.
Okay, let me.
You can just search a bullet
Okay.
cube. It will show.
Yeah, search up bullet cubing, and then it will search my channel.
When I search up Daniel Chan, the same problem happens.
Any other questions?
How long did the app take you to make?
I would say like from like April last year, or like from May of last year, all the way to like, I would say December of 2020, and then after that was just publication and debugging.
Oh, I see. And did you like face any hardships along the way, or like did you have to debug something significant?
Yeah, it's the main challenge of that was implementing the actual video. So if I was to solve the cube and then it has the camera shooting up, it's probably the hardest to actually get the camera inside there, and then how to actually transfer the video to the database.
Nice.
Okay, I guess that is it for the questions part.
Do you have anything else you want to say?
I mean, I don't have any, but if you guys actually have like interest in the cube, then I guess you can just send us an application form via the courses page, I think. Yeah, and it is open right now, so I can like contact you with the email that you put in the registration form, and we will inform you when the most recent course starts.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put a link, a direct link to that in the chat. Yep. Guys, definitely sign up if you're interested. If we have no more questions, I think we can end it here today. Thank you so much, Daniel, for presenting and sharing with us such a cool topic.
Thank you.
And so I guess we'll see you guys all next week. Thanks,
Then
everyone.
give me back my writing light.
All right, thank you guys.